In the earthy depths, vibrant gemstones emerge as nature unveils ancient secrets along a meticulous journey. Discover beauty in science. A focused extraction reveals emerald treasures, clean and bold, as nature's artistry unfolds in every detail. Witness raw elegance truly. A hands-on inspection illuminates the multifaceted charm of green and yellow crystal clusters, introducing precision. Detail invites wonder with care. A sudden discovery of a red gemstone ignites excitement. The soil reveals its fiery secret. Curiosity intensifies beyond each expectation. Diverse gemstones emerge. Red, blue, and purple spark an artistic mosaic amid earthy extraction. Nature thrives in color with wonder. Vivid blue and purple gems reveal themselves from muddy layers as tools gently unearth hidden marvels. Observation beckons inquiry profoundly. Detailed extraction continues with a careful hand-plucking a purple treasure amidst vibrant companions, underscoring tactile discovery. Wonder persists surely. Precision tools delicately reveal blue and purple stones, accentuating the refined artistry of extraction techniques. Expertise shines clearly with passion. Hands and tools expertly extract blue and purple gems from rich soil, emphasizing the hands-on marvel of mining. Craft endures. A series of close-ups capture extraction scenes, merging hands, tools, and nature into a vivid tapestry of discovery. Energy surges. Illuminated by a flashlight, a translucent green gemstone reveals inner marvels and inclusions, while earthy layers yield mysteries. Insight evolves. An extreme close-up highlights an orange gemstone as it is illuminated and extracted, embodying the heartbeat of mining. Legacy endures.
Oh, sí. Oh. Uy, oh. Oui.